Welcome back. In this episode, we're going to be talking about 4 different aspects of spinning rifle. We're going to start off with spins, including drop spins and double time. Secondly, we're going to work on wrists. So we've got the S, we got the wrist, the W's. Then we're going to talk about the stops. The stops of a rifle is really important. That's where you're going to tell them, hey, clap for me. This is what I can do. And look at all of us doing this together. So the stops are really important. And of course the angles, being able to see all the angles without actually looking at your rifle to see if you're actually there. So it's kind of a muscle memory. When I teach my students, I want to go with left side first because that is always the weakest side. So we're going to do 8 on the left side, 8 in between, right on the right side, 8 on the right side, hold in between, do that twice. So we've got 8, 8, 8, 8. And then when you get to the left side again, after the 2 sets of 8s, we'll do 50 on this side and 50 on this side to get started. And normally, the better you get at spinning, then you go to 75, you go to 100, 150. You can go forever actually on spins. That is really going to work on your upper arm strength and your upper body strength. So that's what we're going to do for drop spins. The next exercise we're going to do is a double time exercise. We've done this exercise before in previous episodes. You can click here. And so this exercise is going to take us in 3/8. So we want to make sure we maintain the correct tempo for all these 8s. So I'll demonstrate it now and then we can do it together later. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do 2 hands and then 1 hand. Okay, those stops are really important on any of the exercises. You want to end with a big exclamation point every single time you stop, no matter what you're doing. That's going to lead into how you're going to catch later and all of that technique from there. We're going to be moving on to wrist exercises. The wrist exercise is going to really work on the ambidexterity of your wrist and and kind of mostly stretching out your wrist. Normally, obviously, in real life, we don't usually use our wrist like this. You don't say hello like this or anything like that. So we really need to work on that wrist action, because that's really going to help you later with choreography. So this exercise is going to take us through here. So when we want to make sure that the arm is fully extended here, bent, extend your arm here. Now, when you get to here, you're going to keep this one really close to your body, to your face. So you've got your extension here, your extension parallel. When you get to here, you're really tight wrist action there. And then you're going to switch the rifle around on the left side. You want to make sure that you stay within that toaster. Everybody knows what the toaster is. Keep the rifle within the walls, imaginary walls in front of you and behind you, and then you get your tight wrist for that part. And then you switch around. Okay, so we'll do that exercise together. The other exercise is combining spins and wrist at the same time. So you're going to go spin for 4. So here we're going to have the arm fully extended at a down angle, fully parallel, and then up at a 45. And we'll work our way back down again. And then we'll take the left side. This time we're not going to turn the rifle around. We're going to use a good round grip on this through this section. So we have the low, the middle, the high, back to middle, the low, and then the stop. And moving on to the stops. So we've got the spins, we've got the wrist, and now we have the stops. The stops are the most important things in color guard and rifle twirling, because of the way that the muscles work whenever you end a phrase. Those phrase endings are really important for judges and also for the audience. That's where you're going to really get the crowd response when you hear an ensemble all catch together. So in this exercise, we're going to be combining spins with stopping at all the angles. So we've got this angle here, this angle parallel, back around to there, and then we'll do the same thing on the left side with body. So what we're going to do here is we're going to bring our left arm up on starting at count 2, 1 up 2, and then you've got your pose. So with the 4 starts, to build your 4 starts is going to be a plie. You turn your left knee in, so now you're at your position. So what we're going to do from here, we're going to go into a releve, into first position releve, head down, step out with your left foot, and then we've got the low plie here and through. So we'll do the same thing. It'll go backwards. So what we're going to do here is we're going to bring our left hand to the middle of the butt of the rifle, and at the same time we're going to bring our right hand to the hinge. So we're going to actually go from here to here. So we've got there, the next angle is going to be there, the next one we're just repeating and coming back. So it's going to be here, 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 here. So we've got butt up, butt to the right, butt down, then the way you started. So we'll incorporate that in an exercise, and you can do that with one with me as well. So we're going to go with four counts, then we'll speed it up with 2 counts each, and then we'll speed it up to 1 count each. And then the final exercise, we're going to do an angle exercise, which really is incorporating the right and left hand. This is a memorization exercise for angles. So we've got your angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You're going to work with your rifle backwards on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there you have it. We went through all of these exercises. I know it could be a little bit overwhelming, but we are getting it better so that you can start with the choreography part of that. So in the future episodes, we're going to be introducing some new instructors, some new clinicians and choreographers. So please subscribe, and we'll see you soon.